Okay, so if you have water leaking from above, and let's say you're on a downstairs bathroom and there's water leaking on the ceiling and on the walls, you have old water stains, new water stains, and it's come down periodically, and you want to know the reason why, and it's not a constant flow, but you notice it's been adding up over the weeks or months, and you want to know the reason. Let's say right now I'm on the bottom stairs bathroom. There's a bathroom above. So what's happening is the bathroom above, if you're taking baths, if you're taking bubble baths, you're washing your dog, you're washing a baby or whatever, you'll see right here that there is this part right here, and the water's coming over upstairs. It's coming over, and this little tub gasket has worn out, and so it's worn out over time. And now what happens is when you're bathing your dog or you're taking a bubble bath, the water's going up, it's leaking in here, and it's going downstairs to the bottom bathroom, but it's going onto the ceiling and whatever. And the reason it's only happening periodically because you're not taking a bath every day. You're just taking it once a week. You're bathing your dogs once a month. And what's happening is normally you're taking a shower, let's say, and the water's not going down in here. And so what's happening is when you take a bath, it's going down there and it's getting on the ceiling. The only thing you have to do is replace that that little gasket there. You can unscrew these. There's tutorials on YouTube how to do that. It's just like a little O-ring that you just put on there and then seal it back up, and that should fix your problem. If you have to hire a plumber, the part's only $3. The little O-ring's only $3 to $5. And to hire a plumber for parts and labor, with the labor, it's going to be anywhere from $100 and $150. Don't pay any more than that. Ask them for a quote before they do it, but it shouldn't be more than that. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.